Hey guys, welcome to another All-Star Cards pack opening. Today we're going to take a little stroll down memory lane and have a blast from the past and open up 4 packs of cards that we got here. We got a pack from 1988, 1989, 1990, and 1991. They're all Topps baseball cards and they all come with a stick of gum, which I don't think I'd recommend chewing. So, why don't we go ahead and get started, and we'll start with 1989. Alright, and that's the pack. Comes with 15 cards inside and 1 stick of bubblegum. Alright, so everybody can see that. And this is from 1989. Alright. I really like some of these card designs that they have for the other packs and stuff, so. Alright, well, first card in there. And there's our gum. And it's stuck on this card here. Careful here. And as you see, it left that gum stain on the card. Alright. Let's go ahead and show these players and see who we got. We got a Tom Pagnozzi from the Cardinals. Another Cardinals card. Jose Quindo. If I didn't say that right, someone please leave a comment below and let me know. Bob Forsher. Junior Ortiz from the Pirates. Another Cardinals card. Scott Terry. Alright, we got a Royals Bo Jackson card. It's definitely not his rookie card, but nevertheless, it's still a nice card. Someone set that one up there. And we got a Dave Hengel from the Seattle Mariners card. We got this thing for Spring Fever Baseball, which I'm pretty sure you can't send these in anymore, but it'd be pretty cool if they did a hunt or something like that. We got a Charlie Leibrandt from the Royals, Terry Clark, Mickey Hatcher, Luis Polana, Mitch Williams, Calvin Schiraldi, a Mike Hanneman, and the last card in that one is a B.J. Surhoff. Alright. So let's jump ahead a couple years and let's open up our 1991 pack. And on the front it says instant win vintage Topps cards plus sweepstakes win complete vintage sets, total prize value $1 million. And there's the back again for everyone to see. And again, this pack is from 1991. Again, the gum was already broken off. Don't think I'd recommend chewing that. Alright, so the first card we got is a Scott Aldred from the Tigers, a Ricky Jordan from the Phillies, Steve Searcy from the Tigers, Tom Kelly, John Kruk card, set him up here with Bo Jackson, Tim Cruz, Alex Fernandez, Greg Vaughn, another instant win game card, a Dick Schofield, Keith Miller, oh here we go, a Fernando Valenzuela, put him up here with our other cards that we got, and a Doug Jones, Jose Offerman Future Stars card, Scott Fletcher, and the last card in our 91 pack is a Robbie Thompson Giants card. Set those there, and let's go back into the 80s and open up a 1988 Topps baseball card. There's the package again for everyone to see. There's the back. And alright. Let's see. Take it down to start. Yep. Nope. Jumped off for us right there. Alright. So let's see. Let's stick those on the back. And we'll start with our insert card. Our Tim Browning, Greg Booker, Eric King, and Atlee Hammaker. That's a pretty funny name right there. Gary Reineke, Dan Plesac. Set him up here. Gino Petrali. Jack Lazorko, Juan Neves, John Candelaria. Alright, we got a Greg Maddux when he was with the Cubs card. That was a good free agent pickup that the Braves did by picking up Maddux. Keith Miller. Adobe McDowell. John Wathan manager card. And the last card in that pack is a Cecil Fielder card. Alright, that's a nice card too. We'll throw him up here at the top. And for this final pack of the Blast from the Past, we are going to open up a Topps 1990 pack. And this one has 16 cards included with the bubblegum stick. That sounds like it's broken. And we're going to set that off to the side. Let's see. Alright. And that's the last pack. We'll start with our insert card. John Cerruti from the Blue Jays. A Mickey Hatcher, which I think we pulled him out of our first pack. A Joe Carter card. Terry Fool. Tommy Lasorda manager card. Put him up here. Jeff Reardon. Rob Dribble. Junior Ortiz, which I think we pulled one of those earlier too. We got us a Dennis Eckersley card. Back so everybody can see. Put him up here in our good cards. Ken Phelps. Kurt Ford. Randy Myers. Alright, one of the greatest shortstops of all time there. Ozzie Smith. Mike Marshall card. A Floyd Bannister card. Oh, and the last card of the pack is a John Smoltz Braves card. And yeah, that's a nice card to end the pack off. Since I'm a big Braves fan, I like this card a lot. But, well, that's it for the Blast from the Past. Tune in next time for more card opening videos. And as always, have a good day and we'll see you later.